Hi guys, Steph here. Okie dokie, what have we got for you today? Take a look at this gorgeous pen. Yes, some of you will look at it and you'll notice what it is straight away. What we've got for you here is a Parker Vacumatic in this gorgeous golden pearl colour. And if we say golden pearl, let's try and give you a little bit of a close-up there. Look at that, in beautiful condition. I've just finished restoring it, servicing, etc. So it's ready to find a new home, but I thought I'd do a quick review of the pen just to show you some of the details. Let's just take you to the barrel imprint. It's a little bit worn to one side, but I've highlighted it slightly for you. What it reads to the left, again a little bit worn, it says made in Canada. To the centre, Parker Vacumatic. I think it's got a patent number there and patent applied for. And the main thing, if you look to the right there, you can see we've got the number 5. So the number 5, we're dating the pen around about 1945. Now, some of you will know, some of you won't, that the Parker Vacumatics came in lots and lots of different variants, different trim, different colours, different names, even to the extent that I personally get confused myself. What I believe I've got here is the Parker Vacumatic Standard model, and the size of it capped from the top of the cap to the end of the barrel around about 133 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a nice 12 millimeters in diameter, and if we take it up to the cap, you can see it's got the standard sort of chevron cap band there, quite a wide cap band, and there's the clip there for you. We've got the older style Parker clip, and to the very top there you can see we've got this blue diamond. Incidentally, the blue diamond, some of the paint was actually missing, so I've actually filled it in, and you can see now it looks a lot better. We've got the black stud to the top of the cap there, and this model, the Vacumatic, comes with this rounded barrel end or blind cap. Now when I say blind cap, what happens is that we unscrew the blind cap like so, and you can see inside we've got the plastic plunger filler, again indicating that we've got a later version of the Parker Vacumatic. The pump has been fully serviced, fully restored. We've put a brand new diaphragm in the pen, so the pen, as I say, is ready to go, and somebody will enjoy the pen for many years to come. Let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's give you a couple of the twirls to show you the pen in different angles. Let's pop the cap down. Let's take you up to the section. You can see on these pens the section is quite small, though although it's quite small, it's still a nice comfortable pen to hold. There's the nib for you. Now the nib here is what we term as an arrow clip, and generally what happens on this nib, it's generally a gold monotone coloured nib, but what you'll find with a lot of these pens through the past usage or whatever, some of the gold on the outside, the sort of the plate, is actually worn away, and it turns what we term like a silver colour. Now although it's silver, let's try and keep it nice and still for you. You'll notice just underneath the arrow, or the feathers to the arrow, it says 14K, so it's a 14 karat gold nib. And as you can see to the bottom, it says Parker Canada, and then to the bottom of the nib, hidden inside the section, It also has the number 5, so it's the correct matching nib for this specific pen. There's a sideways view. Let's show you the feed underneath there. Okay, you can see standard Parker Vacumatic feed underneath. Everything lovely and clean as it should be. As I say, a nice comfortable pen to hold. As we said, it's a vacuumatic, which means that we press, well, basically what happens, you dip the nib and a little bit of the section in the ink, and you will press on the button numerous times to fill the pen. Now, very difficult, and I have difficulty actually showing it to you, but the barrel on this pen has some transparency to it, so once you fill the pen you can actually see the ink inside the pen. But I always find it difficult trying to show you that, because obviously the lighting needs to be different, and well, I've not actually figured out how you actually do it. I'm not going to fill the pen because, as I say, we're going to find it a new home, and I'll leave that pleasure to the new owner. But what we'll do, let's bring on some paper, and what we'll do, we'll simply dip the pen in the ink, and we'll just simply do a writing sample, see how the pen writes. So we've got Parker Vacumatic, in a lovely gold pearl colour. Let's just dip it again, and as we said, because of the number 5 on the barrel and on the nib, I'm dating the pen to 1945. It's writing nicely, and writing, as you can see, with a fine line. So there you go, a little writing sample for you. You can see it's writing nicely, as I said, and writing with a fine line. So pop that to one side. Let's pop the cap back on. We'll swill the nib once we finish the video, and there we have it, a stunning example of the Parker Vacumatic in this lovely gold pearl colour. As I said earlier, we've got the blue diamond there, which I've actually filled in for you, so it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Gold filled trim with this wide band, and as we said, the later version with this rounded blind cap to the end of the barrel. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below, don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, why not subscribe now, and you don't miss any videos. And don't forget, people, yeah, whether you're in a green area, a red area, an amber area, be it whatever, either way, still please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.